So I found out about Can Construction online. I was Googling a couple different businesses, and we had gotten somebody else to look at the roof, and the price was way too high. And so I reached out to Nate, and he got back to me right away when I called. I think the second question was, did I like you? I loved working with Can. My favorite part was how quickly Nate responded to me. If I had a text, he'd get back to me in 5-10 minutes, and if there was anything that needed to change, if there was an addition, Nate got back to me and didn't make the change until I had okayed it. And the communication was always super solid, and the work was great. And then, would I recommend? Yeah,
Yes.
I would recommend. I would definitely recommend Can, especially if you have large or small projects. But if you want a contractor that's going to be responsive to you, that's going to get back to you right away, Can's the way to go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.